Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy Rex, the Speed Demon. Today I got a video for you guys on this GoPro. I had to order some parts because, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the lens is all cracked. I think this happened the other day when I was making the video with the Lamborghini. Probably kicked up a rock and cracked the lens because I noticed it when I got home. So I ordered the part for it and we are going to replace it. And I'm sorry, it's not the lens, it's the lens cover. All right, so replacing it is pretty easy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this lens cover off of the GoPro. As far as I know, only the GoPro Hero, only the GoPro Blacks have them. The GoPro Silvers, I don't think you can replace the lens on the GoPro Silvers. So if your lens cover breaks on the your GoPro Blacks, this is a nifty feature, because you don't want to have to replace the whole camera. I bought the replacement part on eBay, and this is how it looks. This is what we're going to be putting onto the camera. All right, so first things first, you're going to want to get the lens off of this, and how you do that is you're going to want to pull forward and turn, okay? And it's going to be a little complicated. If it is, then you can use credit cards and kind of, shove them into the little gap that's in between here to try and pry it. I wouldn't suggest using any actual tools unless if it's like extremely stuck and you're really persistent in trying to get it off. But credit cards should work. But you're gonna, like I said, pull away from it like so and turn it. Okay, so pull away. Let me do it with this hand. Oh, that's a little complicated at first. This thing's not coming off. My hand's a little greasy, so get some toilet paper. See if that gives me a little leverage. And voila. So yeah, I pulled away and I turned. Just a little bit of toilet paper, from sweaty hands. So you pull away and you turn. This is how it looks in the inside of it. This is the little gasket that it has on it to kind of like seal the water from coming in. Here's the actual lens, and as you can see, that's how it kind of grips on when you turn it. All right, so we're gonna be putting this part on the same way you took the other part off, and they come with new gaskets on them. You don't want to put it straight on. You want to put it on at an angle. As you can see, it's at an angle. And then from there, you want to push and turn. And boom. As you can see, all set. So as you can see, looks as good as new. Everything on this is it's nice and sealed again. The lens that's inside, the lens cover should be protected. They make these really good quality. This is an aftermarket one from eBay. I don't go underwater with my GoPro, so I can't really tell you how it's gonna hold up with that. Maybe one day I might, but as far as right now, I only use this for motorsports. I put this either on my bike or in my car. So, I can't really let you know if it's gonna hold up underneath water or not. But as far as I know from what I'm gonna be using it for, this thing is perfect. All right, so I hope you guys learned something today from this video, and I hope it helped you. Like, subscribe. Have any questions, leave them in the comments, and hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace.